In this video, we will find the relation between areas of two triangles which are on the same base and between same parallels. Now consider this figure. Let this triangle be A, B, C and PBC is another triangle. Both the triangles are on the same base BC and between same parallel lines AP and BC. AP is parallel to BC. And we have to prove that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PBC. Now through B we will draw a line parallel to CA. Through B we will draw a line parallel to CA. This line is parallel to this line. And let this point be D. It will intersect the line PA produced to D. Similarly, from C we will draw a line CQ parallel to BP. CQ parallel to line BP. Now Q is also on the line AP produced. This is Q. So now DAPQ are collinear. So this line is also parallel to BC. Now consider this figure BCAD. BCAD and BCQP. BCAD is a parallelogram because opposite sides are parallel. Similarly, BCQP is also a parallelogram because opposite sides are parallel and both the parallelograms are on the same base BC. Therefore, we have already done that parallelograms which are on the same base and between same parallel lines are equal in area. Therefore, area of BCAD parallelogram is equal to area BCQP. This we know. Now consider this triangle ABC. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to half the area of parallelogram BCAD. BCAD. Why? Because now if you see this figure carefully, BA is actually diagonal of DACB. And we know that diagonal divides the parallelogram into two equal triangles, equal areas. Therefore, area of ABC is half the area of parallelogram BCAD because BA is diagonal of parallelogram BCAD, and this we know that diagonal divides the parallelogram into two equal areas, triangles having equal area. Similarly, we can write that area PBC, this triangle, area of triangle PBC is equal to half the area of BCQP. Same reason. BCQP, PC is diagonal of this parallelogram. Same reason. Because PC is diagonal of parallelogram BCQP. Now from 1 we know that area of BCAD is equal to area of BCQP. From 1 we know this. So if BCAD is equal to BCQP, then half of this area BCAD is equal to half the area BCQP. So now right hand side of these two statements, half of area BCAD is equal to half of area BCQP. Therefore, left hand side is also equal, which implies that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PBC. That is, two triangles, if they are on the same base and between same parallel lines, then they are equal in area.